Hey, what's going on, you guys? Big's in this one, and first thing first, let me apologize to you for not posting in over 2 months. But I'm back, and I'll try to post every month, or even better, twice a month from now on. I've just been busy with some things happening, so yeah. Stay tuned and enjoy this video. I'll teach you how to say vacation in Bengali. Let's go. So vacation is chuti. Choroshikar chu, toroshikar ti. Chuti. Chuti. Once again, it's choroshikar chu, toroshikar ti. Chuti. So if you wanna say I was on vacation in Bengali, you say ami chutite chilam. Okay? So shorea, moroshikar mi, ami, choroshikar chu. So this is choroshikar chu, toroshikar ti, toyakar te, chutite chilam. Choroshikar chi, loyakar la, mo. Chilam. Ami chutite chilam. I was on vacation. Now if you want to say I am on vacation, you say ami chutite achi. So shorea, moroshikar mi, choroshikar chu, toroshikar ti, toyakar te, chutite. So ami chutite, and then we have shorea, choroshikar chi, achi. Ami chutite achi. I am on vacation. Now if you want to say I shall be on vacation or I will be on vacation, you say ami chutite thakbo. So ami and chutite stays the same, right? Like the previous ones, yeah. Just the shall be part is changing here, okay? So shoria, moroshikar mi, ami, choroshikar chu, toroshikar ti, toyakar te, chutite, and here we have thakbo. So this is toyakar tha, ko, boyokar bo, thakbo. Ami chutite thakbo. Okay, guys, so let me clarify something here. Ami and chutite here is basically I and on vacation. So I is ami and chutite is on vacation. So achi here is the am part and was is the chilam part. Okay, so ami and chutite they're staying the same here, and I and on vacation is staying the same in the English portion as well, okay? The English equivalent of this sentence. So ami is I, and on vacation is chutite, right? And so chilam is the was part here. And that's the reason ami chutite stays the same, just like I and on vacation in the English equivalent of this sentence, right? So I and on vacation is ami, is I, and chutite is on vacation. So achi is am here. Okay, and in the future tense, what do we have? I is ami, chutite is on vacation, so thakbo, so shall be. That's this part here, thakbo, or will be. It's just that's more informal in English. Just letting you know. Okay, so I hope this one makes sense to you guys. So I hope this video makes sense to you guys. Any question, comment, let me know. Otherwise, thank you very much for watching this video, and do not forget to subscribe. Big Z out.